Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal Francis and this is week 2, series 2 in our how to curate your own personal brush set. And so let's get started. This week, I'm just going to use a traditional blush brush. This is just a blush brush. It's kind of flat, rounded on top. It's got a circular shape. This kind of a brush is not typically a powder brush, but you can use it for powder for all over the face. You can, of course, use it for blush. You can use it for bronzer. Here. Okay. You can use it for highlight, because you can kind of dust and, you know, you can curve your brush to do different things. You can highlight the end of the nose. You can turn the brush this way and just use the edge of the bristles to highlight the end of the bridge of the nose. Of course, you can, you know, and of course, a lot of people are using a blush brush to highlight their clavicles and their shoulders to bring out to create highlight and contour down here. So this is a perfect brush to do a lot of different things with it. You can also blend. You can blend excuse me. You can blend your eyeshadow. If it's gotten out of hand, you take you some powder. I have right here, I have this CoverGirl Simply Ageless pressed powder, and just dip in, and tap it off, and just, I mean, if you got really crazy and it looks kind of an 80s, you know, punk situation, and you're like, oh, calm down. You can use this as a powder brush and really calm that down. You can also go underneath and smudge. You can kind of flatten the brush like so and smudge, or highlight. There's so many things that you can do with this size and shape. Just regular blush brush. Just because it's labeled blush doesn't mean that that's the only thing you can use this for. And so I think that's it. Class 2 is over. That's what you can do with a blush brush. So practice with it, do all the things, and see what you like to use it for best. And I'll see you next week in our how to curate your own personal brush set. This is a staple. Some sort of a blush, bronzer, something. So you need powder, highlight, bronzer, blush. You need something. So play with this brush, and we'll talk next week about what's normally labeled the contour brush, and it's got a slight angle here instead of it just being kind of flat all the way around. So I love you guys, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.